Hey guys, here we're going to look at a very quick video on power settings in Windows 10. Probably going to be the same Windows 11, I think. Don't take my word on this. I haven't actually got my hands on Windows 11. But anyway, power settings, okay, this is in terms of environmental concerns and protecting against power failure on your computer, especially in today's age. So let's have a look. Some of the videos I've done were pre-recorded, so I'll sort of narrate them as we go. All right, step one. We're talking about power settings here, guys. Step one, access the settings screen. So you can see we click on our little Windows menu, we click on settings, voila, there we have the Windows settings screen. Super easy. Step number two, type the word power in the search box. So go ahead and click over there where it says find a setting. You click in there, you type the word power. All right, and you'll see a whole lot of options are going to come up. So we'll choose one in a minute. Then you're going to select power and sleep settings. So all the options that have just appeared, go ahead and select power and sleep settings. That's what we want to work with. Right, there they are. So what does this mean we do next? Step 4. Next, we adjust our screen and sleep options. So we can say when we would like the screen to switch off to save energy, or when we would like the computer to go to sleep, like not a hibernation mode, but like a low power mode, so that we conserve energy as well. So if you have a look at the screen, you'll see there's power and sleep options there. When you want to put the computer to sleep, when you want to put the screen to sleep, do you put a screen to sleep, switch the screen off, whatever, you know what I mean. Okay, but that's where you set it over there. Right. Step 5. Let's take this even further. Access additional power settings. All right. That's on the right hand side. You'll see a little link there. Additional power settings. Go ahead and click on that and you will see we have a whole bunch of different power plans. So there's like energy saving plans, high performance energy plans. So we're going to choose a suitable power plan for the saving and conserving of energy. So that one's called the Power Saver. Go ahead and select Power Saver, and that means that it will try and use as little energy as possible on the computer. Okay, for your computer. All right, so that was the first part. That was about power settings in Windows 10. Now the second part, protecting yourself against power failure. All right, so one of the most commonly used applications or commonly used hardware devices is an uninterruptible power supply, UPS. Okay, it's called UPS. So when you hear UPS, we mean uninterruptible power supply. That means that the power supply to your computer is not interrupted no matter what happens. So that means when the power kicks out, we're okay. We're okay. Why? Because when the power kicks out, the batteries on the UPS keep going and they keep providing power for your computer to still run and operate for a certain amount of time. Okay, so 20 minutes, an hour, 2 hours. It depends on the size of the UPS, how many batteries you've got, okay, how much power is in that thing. So that's basically what a UPS is for, guys. It provides power for a limited amount of time via batteries, special batteries like hardcore ones, so that you can save your work and safely shut down your computer. You don't want to use the UPS for working on unless it's a high-tech hardcore UPS that's made to run for like a couple of hours. Then you're fine. Step 2, the other alternative, invest in a generator. Why? Because it looks cool, okay? It's so cool. That's like a banana on steroids. That's what that is. No, it is. Let me get serious. An inverter. It's an open frame inverter. I was going to say, the champion open frame inverter. No, let me concentrate. Right. A generator. A generator generates electricity. You put in petrol or diesel or whatever, and no, not whatever, petrol or diesel, depending on what it needs. You start it up, and it's a bit noisy, but it creates electricity and provides the correct wattage and voltage and electric for your house or your devices to run off. Okay, so if you don't want to get a UPS, which is probably more affordable, but anyway, but you have a generator, use a generator to use, and so that you can still use your computer even while there's no power, and that will protect you from power failures. Because a generator, you get special ones that sort of kick in automatically the moment the power kicks out. That's pretty cool. I wish I had one of those.